Check this out, this is a smart LED Wi-Fi light bulb. This is the Feit Smart light bulb, and you can buy this on the cheap from Costco. In this video, I am taking a look at this Costco smart light. I'll show you how to set it up using the app. I'll talk you through the features and just give you a good general product overview. So here is the box that this bulb arrives in. My box got a little bit scrunched up during the shipping, but the bulb itself was fine because of the way this is packaged. The smart bulb sits nice and safely here in the middle. As per the box, you can use this light with Alexa, Google Assistant and Siri. This light can change to different colors, and you can also change to different shades of white. You might already know this, but the LED light bulbs are much more power efficient than a standard light bulb. In addition, you can expect these light bulbs to last a really long time. If you use this bulb for 3 hours every day, you can expect the bulb to last nearly 23 years. In the box with this, you'll get the actual smart Wi-Fi LED light bulb, and you do get a little instruction leaflet with how to set it up. But it's pretty easy, I'll show you quickly now. What you want to do once you've got this light bulb home is you want to download the companion app. This app is called Feit Electric. Search for that on your app store, download and install the app to your mobile device. Once you've downloaded and installed the app, you should see from the main screen this plus button here on the right. Click on lighting and then click on lighting device. You'll need to install the light into a light socket and it should start flashing on and off, something like this. If your light bulb is not flashing, just turn the light on and off a few times and it should start blinking. Then you just click next on the app and follow the in-app prompts to connect your light bulb to your Wi-Fi network. If you're having any issues connecting this bulb, you could try resetting it by switching the light on and off a few times. Another common problem that people have with these types of smart lights is these lights only connect using 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. These days, a lot of the new routers produce both 2.4 and 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi. So if you have one of those routers, you might need to turn off 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi just while you connect this light. After you've successfully completed the setup, you should see your light bulb appear on the main app screen here. You can press the light bulb to switch the light on or off. If you click and hold on this light, another page will open up with more options. From this screen, you can dim the light, change the light color, and apply different effects or set a schedule. I do really like the brightness slider on this app. It's very easy to use. This smart light bulb has got to be one of the cheapest smart light bulbs you can buy, and well, a light bulb is a light bulb, right? This is the TP-Link smart bulb. It's a bit more expensive, and here's the Mirabella Genio bulb, another budget option. Now these all look pretty similar, but this bulb over here is the LifeX Mini. Now this is a much more expensive and high-end light bulb. If you wanted to set your house up just using these LifeX bulbs, it would cost you significantly more. Now I'm going to show you how this Feit Smart Light compares to the LifeX bulb and the TP-Link bulb. I'll show you a direct comparison between these bulbs. Let's take a look. I've been using smart light bulbs for quite a while now, and one thing that I've found is that I actually almost never use the colored settings for these bulbs. It's nice to set different colors, maybe for mood lighting or on a special occasion, but if you're using this just as a regular light around your house, most of the time you're probably just going to want it to be a white color anyway, and to me, the whites on these lights didn't look too different. I will mention that the app for the LifeX light bulbs is definitely better than this app. It's very intuitive and you can do probably a bit more. If you do plan to use voice assistants to control your lights, you're not really going to be using the app very often anyway. You'll be using voice commands or routines. Let me know in the comments if you think that this bulb is worthwhile. I have done full reviews for all of these light bulbs, so I'll pop those reviews up on the screen now if you're interested in those. If you found this video helpful, you can help out this channel by clicking on subscribe. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.